Today I am going to tell you a very powerful and also scientific proven technique of law of attraction to make your wishes come true. And this technique is water technique. So let's get started. A glass of water can make your old wishes come true. It may sound little strange, maybe you have not heard it before, but this is a real technique and it is scientifically proven. So without wasting a second, let's know now this technique works and how to use it. Okay friends, this technique is based on the idea that water is a very powerful energy and it records the energy. So through many researches, this technique found really powerful and significant. So let's know what is the first step you have to do. Friends, the first step you have to do is to take a blank paper and a pen. Now write down your wish that you want to come true. You can write your wish in the form of affirmation. So if you think to become healthier or if you wish to meet your soulmate or anything else you want in your life right now, write it down. You can also choose a little wish or a big wish. I mean major wish. It's really up to you. So friends, whatever you are writing, that must be in present tense. So for example, you can write that I am attracting my soulmate, or I am getting my new job, or I am getting my dream destination, or whatever you want. And friends, keep it in the mind that whatever you are going to do in this technique is not some kind of magic spell, okay? By using this technique, you are directing your mind energy to create a blueprint or a specific image of your wish in your subconscious mind. After writing down your affirmation, I mean your wish, then take a glass of water, and water should be clean. So you can take drinking water, okay? Now put your glass on your paper. You can fold your paper or simply keep it open. It does not matter. So this is your second step. This is carefully put a glass of water on the paper. This step is about activating energy. So rub your hand against each other until you feel them almost burning. Now place your palms on the east side of glass and feel the energy flow between your hands. Now close your eyes and state your wish out loud in your mind. Concentrate well and focus on your dream, your wish. During this, take a deep breath and keep saying your wish until you feel it with your body. Friends, by doing this, you will create a strong energy. Friends, now visualize your dream and your wish this is becoming true. Don't open your eyes and just concentrate on sending energy through your hands into the water in the glass. Water will record your energy. And friends, you can do this for a few minutes or until you can feel it completely. Now just open your eyes and drink the glass of water. That's it. Friends, you can use this technique every morning and every night before going to bed. And friends, it's really easy and effective technique. And you can use a separate glass of water for each wish. Okay? And friends, make this technique a part of your daily routine. And this technique is not magic itself, but it can create magic in your life. You might receive your wish sooner than you think. So, friends, just try this technique and it's really effective and useful and scientifically proven. So start this technique from today and be ready to receive your hand. Friends, I hope you can make your wish come true with this technique. And I hope you like this video, and I will come again with the new law of attraction exercise. Until then, keep going with the law of attraction. Stay happy and blessed and stay connected with me all the time. I hope this is helpful. If it was, make sure to subscribe and I will catch you in the next video.